Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Earlier this year, an old friend of mine was made redundant, and I know that she's been busy job hunting for quite a while since then. When we spoke a couple of weeks ago, she told me she had an interview that she was quite hopeful about, quite optimistic about. So I called her the other day to try to find out how the interview had gone. "Oh, don't ask," she replied. "I blew it. I thought I had a really good chance of getting it, but when I got into the interview room, my nerves got the better of me. I froze. I couldn't answer any of the questions. My mind just went blank, and I must have come across as a complete bumbling idiot because they didn't offer me it in the end." If you say that a feeling gets the better of you, you basically mean that you can't stop yourself from letting that feeling make you do something, even though you know that something is wrong. So, you might have a bit of a temper, and sometimes you might lose your temper and scream and shout at people. I can sometimes be guilty of doing this with my own children. At the end of a long day when they're really, really annoying me and I end up snapping a little bit. And then later I have to go and apologise and say, "Sorry, I shouldn't have shouted at you. My temper got the better of me." Maybe you know the Greek myth about Pandora's box, where Pandora is handed this box and told not to look into it under any circumstances. And in the end, her curiosity got the better of her, and she opened it and all hell broke loose. Sometimes over Christmas, for example, you might find that you completely stuff yourself. You completely pig out and you spend 3 days lying on the sofa recovering because your greed got the better of you. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of times when certain feelings have got the better of you.